Dear students, today I have brought a quiz for you to check whether you have understood the chapter food, where does it come from properly or not. So you have to be really very quick to answer. So your first question for today is, which of the following is not an ectoparasite? And your options are ticks, lice, tapeworm, cuscuta. Quick, and the answer for this question is tapeworm, because ticks and lice are ectoparasites. Cuscuta is also a plant parasite and is an ectoparasite, but tapeworm is an endoparasite, not an ectoparasite. So the answer is tapeworm. Now the next question. Now your next question. Materials required to prepare a food item are called, what it is called, and your options are nutrients, ingredients, nourishments, or D, minerals, and the answer is ingredients. Question: what does the following image depicts? And your options are photosynthesis, nutrition, sprouting, or food habit. What is this image depict? And the answer is sprouting. You can see the tiny white colored structures which are sprouted seeds. Now the next question. Which of the following is not an ingredient for preparing dal? And your options are pulses, kerosene, oil or ghee, and fourth option is salt. And which is not an ingredient for preparing dal? The correct answer is kerosene. It can be a requirement if you are using an oil lamp, but today we use an LPG gas stove for cooking. And what is an ingredient? It is the materials that are required to prepare a dish, and it is not required. Kerosene is not required for preparing dal. So it is not an ingredient. Now the next question. Which one of the following is not an omnivore animal? And your options are tiger, human, bear, cockroach. And the correct answer is tiger. Tiger is a carnivore, not an omnivore animal. Now the next question. Which of the following is not a plant whose root is edible? The options are carrot, radish, turnip or potato. Out of which of these the roots are not edible? And the answer is potato, because we eat the stem of potato. Now the next question, the part of banana plant which is not used as a food, and it is the items, the options are flower, fruit, stem, root, and the answer is root. We do not eat root of banana. Now the next question, edible part in lettuce and spinach is, the options are stem, root, leaf, seeds, and the correct answer is we eat the leaf of lettuce and spinach. Now the next question, given below are name of some animals: goat, human beings, cockroach, eagle. Which of the above animals form a pair of omnivores? And your options are 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and 2 and 4. We have to find out quick. Now the answer is 2 and 3, that is cockroach and eagle. Human beings and cockroach. They are both omnivore. Rest of eagle is a carnivore and goat is a herbivore animal. Now the next question, honeybees make honey from pollen, petal, nectar or bud? And the answer is nectar. Now the next question given below is a list of edible plants. Brinjal, pumpkin, ladyfinger, banana. And you have to tell which pair of plants have 2 or more edible parts. 1 and 2, 2 and 4, 3 and 4 or 1 and 4. And the correct answer is 2 and 4, that is pumpkin and banana. We eat the flower and fruits of a pumpkin and we eat the fruits, the flower and the stem of banana plant. Now the next question is name this plant which is parasitic in nature. You have to name this plant. Can you name it? The answer is Cuscuta. We have seen in the previous slide. It is a parasitic plant and it depends on other plant for its nutrition. It does not produce its own food. And the answer is Cuscuta. It is a parasitic plant. Now the next question, what is the mode of nutrition of this organism? First identify this organism, then you can only tell what is its mode. And the answer is parasitic mode. This is tapeworm. It is a parasite, endoparasite in the human intestine. This is tapeworm, which is parasitic in nature. Now the next question. Name the mode of nutrition to which the following organisms belong to. Bacteria, fungi and earthworm belong to which mode of nutrition? And the answer is decomposers. They are decomposers. They depend on dead and decaying matter for their nutrition and they decompose, recycle the nutrients. Now the next question. The germinating seeds at the initial stages when a white structure has grown out of the seed are called. What it is called? And the answer is sprouted seeds. Now the next question. Bees collect dash from flowers and convert it into dash. So bees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey. And honey is available all throughout the year while nectar is available for a part of year. Now the next question. Dog eats plants and animal products. So dog will be called as, the answer is an omnivore because it eats both plant and animals. Now the next question, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct words. There are 2 columns, plant and plant part used as food. You have to fill in the blanks with the required words. Like plant is tomato, which plant part we use as food, and the answer is fruit. We eat the fruit of tomato. Next is the root. You have to tell a plant whose root is eaten and the answer is radish, carrot and turnip. Now turmeric. We eat which part of turmeric? We eat the stem. It has an underground stem and we eat the stem of turmeric. Now sugarcane. We eat the stem of sugarcane. Now seed, you have to name few plants whose seed is eaten. And the answer is mustard, sunflower, etc. Spinach, we eat which plant part of spinach? Leaf. Now fruit. Which plant? Apple, pear, banana, mango, etc. And leaf, the example of plant whose leaf is eaten, coriander, lettuce, etc. So here we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all have enjoyed the quiz. And do put your marks, write your marks in the comment section how much correct answers you have given. And wait for more such quizzes. Thank you, students.